So many people ask about our high power blender. It is the #1 item in our catalog and has been so since it first started. I'm going to tell you a really interesting fact that really blew my mind. Princess House sells more blenders than Walmart every year. It's amazing. So our blender is very special for many reasons. #1, it has a 1500 watt motor, so it's very, very strong and powerful, and that's what you want. Also, what happens is, and it's hard for you to see, I am sure, but there are 6 stainless steel blades inside. This is a 68-ounce vessel, so there's plenty of room for everything that you want to make, and it also has a top here that is also a half a cup, so it's easy to add things to it. The way that the top is, it goes on it, and then it has what's called a tamper. So if you're doing things that are thick or sticky and they need to be mixed, you can put this in while it's on because it has a special guard and it won't go down all of the way. So this actually comes with 3 pre-programmed guides. So one of them is for dips. You can make all different kinds of dips and spreads. I have made, look for my videos on YouTube under Princess House Linda. I have made homemade hummus, the best. Homemade pesto, homemade sunflower butter. You can do so much with it. It's amazing. And especially if you have kids with allergies and you're watching all that, it's nice to make your own foods because you know what goes in it. There's also a pre-programmed little button here for soups. You can make hot soup in 7 minutes. So what happens is the blades, the friction, after 7 minutes, your soup comes out steaming hot. I've made a tomato bisque soup, a broccoli creamy soup, many different things. And then last but not least, there's one for smoothies, and that's what most people use it for. The advantage of the 1500 watt motor is that when you go to put your smoothies in here, you can put your fruits in here whole, and it just pulverizes them. It's a great way to hide vegetables in here too. You can put zucchini or spinach in those smoothies. Your kids will never even taste it. So also when you have a high power blender, you can use it to grind coffee. You don't have to have a special coffee maker to do that. And it really, as I said earlier, pulverizes your fruits and vegetables to a very smooth consistency. Now, this is in the book at $619, and it is not on sale right now, but I have a special offer because that's what I do. You can get this for just 10 payments of $43.50. Right? And if you want to pay it more, you can pay it, in 6 payments or 4 payments. You can pay it in full if you want. But that price includes shipping and includes tax. $43.50 times 10 payments, and it's all yours. I can ship it anywhere in the United States, and it'll ship once it's paid in full. But I have a couple of extra offers that I want you to know about. Are you ready? So right now, Princess House has a really cool program called Surprise Buys. Did you see my video on this already? And how this works is for every $100 that you spend, you can buy a surprise buy for just $11. You're not going to know what it is until it comes, but it's a recently discontinued Princess House product worth up to $145. And there's been some really cool ones coming. We've been seeing them so far. So you can grab yourself a couple of our $11 surprises if you want when you order the blender. And then one other thing that I want to tell you about. In my group, Linda Bradley, which you can reach me anytime, thelindabradley@gmail.com. So in my group, for all of my consultants, I'm having a special little contest this month, and I'm giving away the barbecue set. And how it works is for every $100 that you spend, you will get a ticket to win this set. So when you buy the blender, you automatically get 4 tickets. Let me show you what this set is. So this is our brand new barbecue set. Look how nice and large this is. And can you see that there's holes? So this is meant for your grill only. And what's nice about it is that you can put things out there on the grill and they're not right on top of your grates. It's really perfect if you cook small things, vegetables. Some people put fruit on the grill, or even like shrimp, right? Things like that. You don't have to do kebabs. You can put them right in here. You can also use it for your steak or hamburgers or anything. So this is our grill pan. And also, we have a set of the 4 grill tools. So these are extra long, and they have the silicone on. They're all stainless steel, but then they have the silicone to make them nice and comfortable. So this one is a baster, so you can baste your foods on the grill. They also do all have a hole on the bottom so that you can hang them from your grill. You also have this one, which is the spatula, and I don't know if you can see it, but on the side here, it's actually a knife. It's all serrated, so you can maybe flip over your hamburgers, but you can also cut them with this. Then we have, this is the large fork, right? And then last but not least, we have the tongs, and these are the larger ones, the longer ones, I should say. So this set is valued at $269. When you buy the blender, you're going to get 4 raffle tickets to win this set. So reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will get you hooked up.